Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Waplog app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. You just click on it here, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this, and all you have to do next, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you come here to friend requests, click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here friend requests notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.